Okay guys, it's been 6 hours and let's take a look. Oh my God, it smells fantastic. And it looks really, really yummy too. I'm gonna plate this up and we're gonna take a taste. Yeah, So I had an early morning meeting today, and as I was coming home, I passed the supermarket. And I thought to myself, why not try making a pot roast today? So I wanna do it in my slow cooker. So we pulled her out of hiding. We pulled her out of hiding, and today I'm going to make a slow cooker pot roast. Okay, first up, I'm gonna season this 2-pound chuck roast generously with salt and pepper. Put that in, and now we're gonna sear her. Woohoo! 5 minutes each side, leave her alone. Oh, you see that char? This is definitely what we want. All right, after we sear it, look how beautiful that looks. We're gonna put it right in the crock pot. This is a mixture of a cup of beef broth and 2 tablespoons of flour to get all those fabulous brown bits. And this will thicken. And now I want to put this in with the meat. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic, 1 medium-sized onion just cut into chunks. Put that all around. Small bowl of baby carrots. Small bowl of baby potatoes. Sprinkling of adobo seasoning. A sprinkling of onion powder. Sprinkling of garlic powder. Some paprika, some fresh rosemary. Now I didn't have fresh thyme, so I'm gonna use some dried thyme. And then I'm going in with the beef broth, just enough to cover. And now we're gonna put this in the slow cooker on high for 6 hours. Cover. Okay, so after 6 hours, this meat is nice and tender. Look, I'm not even applying a lot of pressure. It's beautifully cooked and tender and pull apart. And I'm about to taste it because this looks fantastic. So here we go. I can't believe it. I did it. It's really good, you guys. I'm very, very, very happy.